Walking around downtown Taipei. See this? Parang Binondo lang. Oh, yan. Or Wan Chai area. Chinese food. Para makita nyo rin yung Taiwan. Yan, ganyan. Fish market ito. Galing kami na... Ano ba yan? We are crossing temple there. Parang ano, Divisoria. May mga preserved vegetable din sila. Yeah. Frozen food. Oh. What they have here. Wow. Oops. Masikip ang daan. Bye-bye. Off ko na muna nga.